Hey y'all, welcome back to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you can join me today. Today's recipe, you can feed an army on this. Andouille and potatoes. Just a couple ingredients and you're done. Takes no time at all. So let's go ahead and get started. What you need to start chopping up is 6 good sized potatoes, 1 medium to large size onion, 1 decent sized bell pepper, and a couple cloves of garlic. So let's go ahead and get started on cutting this up. With your potato, you want to start slicing them very thin. Like so, onto your onion. Go ahead and peel this bad boy. Move that half over to the side. I'll deal with the rest of him later. Chop off the top, chop off the bottom, get rid of those. Start chopping it. Again, very thinly. Stand it back up. Now onto your bell pepper. Cut it right down the center. I'll just get in there. Move that top. Yeah, you lose a little bit, but get rid of all the little stuff on the inside. Deal with the rest of that piece later. And then we just dice it up. Now we'll go ahead and cut up the sausage. Today we're using the Zatarain's brand. Go ahead and cut it into rounds. First things first, get your grill or your oven up to 250 degrees. We're going to go low and slow on this. Now on to making the fixings. First off, you want to go ahead and put some oil in the pan. Add your onions. And your bell peppers. Also add some parsley. I don't have any fresh parsley right now. We usually give it all to the guinea pigs. They like it. But I do have some dry parsley. You use less dry parsley because it's more potent. So just a couple of dashes. Now we're going to go ahead and add some Cajun 180. Some Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy herb. Stir that up. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. In Cajun cooking, you tell people how much to add, but really, you just add it in. 1 cup of dry white wine. Today I'm using some Tabasco extra garlic. A couple dashes of that. We throw the andouille into the party. Let that cook down for a minute. Now go ahead and put our potatoes in. Go ahead and put our sausage and vegetable mixture in now. Put our lid on top of it. And now we go ahead and put it on our grill. We just got to wait for the potatoes to turn tender. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Take a nice scoopful of that. Smells great. Look at that. Now we move on to the taste test. All right, here we go. Oh, everything just melts so beautifully. You've got the pepper and onion flavor all over that potato, mixed in with that white wine sauce. Then you've got the andouille sausage mixed in with the heat from the Cajun 180 and Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy shake. Just beautiful. Tastes so great. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.